Every time you look at a screen or step outside, your eyes are exposed to stress from harmful light and environmental factors. Without proper care, this can gradually affect your vision. In this video, we'll break down the top 5 antioxidants scientifically proven to heal and protect your eyes. These natural compounds reduce oxidative stress, repair cell damage, and strengthen your vision for the future. We'll show you how these antioxidants work and where you can find them to keep your eyes healthy every day. 1. Astaxanthin. Have you ever noticed the rosy pink color of salmon or shrimp? It's not just a pretty feature, it's because of astaxanthin. But this isn't just a pigment that makes seafood look good. It's a powerful antioxidant that can work wonders for your eyes. Astaxanthin does more than protect. It can actively help repair and strengthen your vision. The coolest thing about astaxanthin is that it can get into places other antioxidants can't. It crosses the blood-retina barrier, which means it can directly reach your retina and protect it from harm. That's a big deal because the retina is extremely sensitive and prone to damage from oxidative stress. Think of oxidative stress as the wear and tear that builds up in your eyes from things like UV rays, pollution, or even just aging. Astaxanthin steps in and fights this damage, helping prevent issues like macular degeneration and cataracts. But astaxanthin doesn't stop there. It's also a lifesaver for people dealing with eye fatigue, something most of us know all too well after staring at screens all day. It improves blood flow to the eyes, which means they get more oxygen and nutrients to stay refreshed and healthy. Seafood like krill and Arctic shrimp are some of the best sources of astaxanthin, containing far more of it than salmon or trout. If seafood isn't your thing, don't worry. You can find supplements made from red algae that offer the same benefits. Your eyes will thank you for it. 2. Lycopene. Tomatoes aren't just the base for pasta sauces or the topping on your pizza. They're a gift for your eyes. The magic lies in lycopene, the antioxidant that gives tomatoes, watermelon, and pink grapefruit their beautiful red color. But lycopene isn't just about looks. It's a powerful shield for your eyes, protecting them from the damage life throws at them. Lycopene works by fighting oxidative stress, which is one of the biggest threats to your vision. Over time, this stress damages the retina and can lead to conditions like macular degeneration, which affects your central vision. What's more, lycopene also protects your eyes from harmful UV rays. Think of it as sunscreen for the inside of your eyes, working to block out the invisible rays that can cause long-term damage. And here's a fun tip. Cooking tomatoes makes lycopene even more effective. That's right, your favorite marinara sauce or tomato soup isn't just comfort food, it's eye food. If you're not into tomatoes, don't worry. Watermelon and pink grapefruit are also great sources of lycopene. Whether you enjoy it fresh or cooked, getting more lycopene into your diet is one of the easiest ways to protect your vision for years to come. It's never too late to prioritize your well-being. Subscribe and let's unlock a healthier, happier you. 3. Beta-carotene. Eat your carrots. They're good for your eyes. If you've ever heard this growing up, it wasn't just an old wives' tale. Carrots are packed with beta-carotene, an antioxidant that your body turns into vitamin A. Without enough vitamin A, your eyes can't make rhodopsin, the pigment that helps you see in low light. So yes, carrots really do help you see in the dark, but beta-carotene doesn't stop there. It also helps keep your eyes moist, which is a huge relief if you suffer from dry or itchy eyes. And for those worried about long-term vision issues, beta-carotene can help slow down conditions like retinitis pigmentosa, a disease that can cause gradual vision loss. People have been relying on vitamin A for eye health for centuries. Even the ancient Egyptians used liver, a natural source of vitamin A, to treat night blindness. And of course, carrots aren't the only source of beta-carotene. Sweet potatoes, pumpkins, and even leafy greens like spinach and kale are rich in this nutrient too. The best part? Your body only converts as much beta-carotene into vitamin A as it needs, so you don't have to worry about overdoing it. If you eat a lot of beta-carotene-rich foods, your skin might take on a slight orange tint. But don't worry, that's just a sign you're giving your body what it needs. 4. Kroin. Saffron is often called red gold, and it's easy to see why. Not only is it one of the most luxurious spices in the world, but it's also packed with Kroin, an antioxidant that does incredible things for your eyes. Kroin doesn't just protect your vision, it has the remarkable ability to heal and enhance it. It's like giving your eyes a fresh coat of armor while also fixing the dents and scratches. What sets Kroin apart is its ability to protect retinal cells from injury and help them recover. This makes it particularly valuable for people dealing with age-related macular degeneration, a condition that can blur or distort your central vision. Studies have even shown that saffron supplements containing Kroin can improve visual sharpness. Imagine being able to read the fine print on a menu or spot tiny details that you hadn't noticed in years. Kroin can help make that a reality. But there's more. Kroin is also known for its ability to fight inflammation, which is often a hidden cause of irritated or strained eyes. Whether it's from hours of screen time or exposure to harsh light, Kroin can soothe your eyes and keep them feeling fresh. If you're someone who's worried about oxidative stress, the slow but steady damage caused by free radicals, Kroin is your secret weapon. Adding Kroin to your diet doesn't mean you have to break the bank. A tiny pinch of saffron in your tea, rice, or even desserts can provide a powerful dose of this golden antioxidant. Not only will your meals taste richer, but your eyes will reap the rewards. It's a small treat that pays off big when it comes to your vision. 5. Quercetin. While Kroin often steals the spotlight, quercetin is like the quiet but reliable partner that ensures everything runs smoothly. Found in the same saffron strands, quercetin plays an essential role in keeping your eyes healthy. Its main job? Improving blood circulation to the retina. This might not sound special, but it's absolutely essential. Good circulation ensures that your retina gets the oxygen and nutrients it needs to function properly. Why is this important? Poor blood flow to the retina can lead to serious problems, especially in conditions like diabetic retinopathy. This is when the small blood vessels in your eyes become damaged, often due to high blood sugar levels. Catine helps prevent this by keeping your retinal blood vessels healthy and improving their function. Think of it as a maintenance crew, making sure your eyes are well fed and running at full capacity. What's fascinating about quercetin is how well it works alongside Kroin. While Kroin repairs damage and protects your eyes, quercetin ensures that everything stays in balance by keeping your eyes well nourished. Together, they form a powerful duo that can help protect against a range of vision problems. The beauty of quercetin is that it's just as easy to incorporate into your diet as Kroin. Whether you stir saffron into a cup of tea or sprinkle it over your favorite dish, you're giving your eyes the tools they need to stay healthy. And the best part? You're not just protecting your vision, you're enhancing it, ensuring that you can enjoy the beauty of the world for years to come. Your eyes deserve the kind of care that keeps them sharp and healthy. With Astaxanthin, Lycopene, beta-carotene, Kroin, and Catine on your side, you have a powerful lineup of antioxidants ready to defend your vision. Feel free to choose your sources from the various foods we've highlighted in our video. What matters most is keeping your eyes nourished. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing and liking the video. It helps us out a lot.